In this lesson, we are going to continue learning how to make nouns plural in German. In previous lessons, you learned the first pattern, where you simply change the article to die. So das Fenster, the window, becomes die Fenster, the windows. The second pattern, you add an E. Der Freund becomes die Freunde. Or you add an umlaut and an E. So der Stuhl, die Stühle. So add the umlaut here and then add the E. And we learned the first part of pattern 3 where you add an ER, das Kind, die Kinder. In this lesson we're going to learn how to add the umlaut and the ER. So the man, der Mann, you have to change the der to die, so you know that part. On the vowel you add the umlaut and then the ER, so der Mann becomes die MÄNNER. MANN, MÄNNER. And you can see how that sounds like English. Man, men, man, men. So this pattern is still evident in English. Man, men. In German, Mann, Männer, Mann, Männer. Let's look at an example. The man is young. Der Mann, the man, der Mann. The man is, der Mann ist. Jung. Der Mann ist jung. The man is young. Der Mann ist jung. The men are young. Die Männer. The men, die Männer. The men are. Die Männer sind young, jung. Die Männer sind jung. The men are young. Die Männer sind jung. So remember, der Mann, change der to die, add the umlaut and add ER. Der Mann, die Männer. Der Mann, die Männer. And that's part of the pluralization pattern 3. Add the umlaut and the ER. Der Mann, die Männer. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.